How to contact a supplier on AliExpress for drop shipping. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact a supplier on AliExpress for drop shipping. Let's say you found a product and you want to contact the supplier so that you could supply their product. You could add their product to your shop and supply it. Let's take this for example. This particular product, I actually don't know what it is, but I can see it here, and I've clicked on that particular product and it shows me quite a number of them. Let's say I want to drop ship this particular one. This product is earbuds. I'll click on that product and it shows me it costs $3.17 and it's reportedly it's sold by Xiaomi. So if I want to contact the supplier, you see here it says sold by and the store name is AE something store and the store number this and the location in China, and it's been open since November 2023. So if I scroll down, I'm not going to see anything else. To contact them, I'll simply click on this address here, sold by. I'll click on that and it's going to bring me to their shop, their particular store, and you can see it says AE something store, and I see the contact now button here. These are the other products which they sell. All of these, Redmi this, Redmi that, Redmi this. So if I want to contact them, I'll simply click on contact now, and again it redirects me to another page. When I come to this page, you see welcome to our store, I help you today. And it says, do you have a question about the following issues? Order not received. Would you refund me for my order? Item not as described and all that. I'll just see. You can see, you see another button here which says chat with agent now. If you click on that, you see this message. Great day to you and welcome to our customer service center. My name is Dwim. May I please know your name? I will say my name is Sean. I recently saw your product, the Xiaomi earbuds, and I really appreciate the product. I would like to sell it as a drop shipper. What required on my end? So you can give them this and they say, nice to meet you, Sean, and how can I help you? So you've responded. They're going to respond to you and you could send a picture of that particular product. Let's see, if you downloaded it, you could send a picture and say, this is the product I want to sell. And then you could see, can we, have a one-on-one discussion? You can schedule a Zoom call, a Google Meet call, or anything of that sort. And when you get to them, they are actually going to get back to you and you can proceed from there. So in a nutshell, that is how to contact a supplier on AliExpress for dropshipping. If you got any value out of this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.